Hi there. Real property reports, are they important or not? Well, yes they are. Real property reports, or RPRs, represent well over 50% of disputes in real estate transactions, according to one prominent Calgary real estate lawyer. Clauses 4.4 and 4.5 of the purchase contract states in part that the seller contracts with the buyer that the seller is responsible for providing a current RPR reflecting the current state of the property, and they must provide that RPR in time to allow the buyer or the buyer's lawyer to review that document prior to closing. In a very active market such as today, which is February of 2013, the sellers must act immediately to address the matter of providing a current RPR. If the RPR already shows a compliance stamp and it's reflecting the current state of the property, then the matter is considered dealt with. However, back to referring to clauses 4.4 and 4.5 of the purchase contract, those two clauses also allow that if the seller has not provided the RPR as required, the sale may not close in time, but also the buyers may have a legitimate case to treat the transaction terminated and to be able to sue for breach. Or alternatively, they could sue for damages, or worse yet, the seller may be compelled to allow the buyers possession of the property and to reside into that property up to 8 weeks without closing until there's an encroachment issue that has been resolved. Now, what I mean by not closing is that the seller will be compelled to allow the buyers to reside in the property without being paid. It's critical that listing agents and their sellers deal with the RPRs at the time of the listing or before the property is placed on the market. There are hundreds of RPR stories out there, but the simple and most effective resolution for dealing with those issues is that the listing agent and the seller must ensure that the matter is dealt with up front at the time of the listing. My name is Stan Kushner. If you've got any questions with respect to this particular blog or any others that you see on my website, you can contact me on my website at www.stankushner.ca, or you can email me at info@stankushner.com, or you can contact me on Facebook at Stan Kushner Realtor. Have an awesome day.